Hi everyone, I'm Michael. This is my second review of Samsung's S5. In this review, we'll be looking at the picture menu. If you go into the picture menu, there are thumbnails of the pictures. Push the select button to view the image, and push the select button to start the slideshow. If I push the menu button, then 6 menus will appear: Music, Stop Slideshow, Slideshow Speed, Zoom, Rotate, and Select as my skin. Push Music to start music. This can stop or resume slideshow. There are 3 speeds: fast, normal, and slow. This can allow you to view the images at 100, 200, and 400% by using the zoom function. You can rotate the image by left 90 degrees, right 90 degrees, and 180 degrees. Finally, if you choose Select as my skin, it asks you whether you save it right now. If you choose Yes, then it will be saved as skin. If you choose My Skin from Setting, Menu Style, Menu Design, as you can see, the image you've just selected is seen as the background image. I will change it back to the original skin. S5 provides FM radio function. Shall we try to check the menu? Usually, these small devices use earphones as antenna. So does the S5. Now I will connect the earphone. With the Go to Preset Mode function, you can listen to the radio through already designated preset channels. Don't you preset your favorite channels when you listen to the radio? This is the same function. This is a menu to add channels to preset. This starts preset automatically. If you choose it, it asks Start Auto Preset. If you choose Yes, it will begin to search channels and save them. You can record radio broadcasts you are currently listening to from the Start Recording menu. This is good for recording your favorite music right away while you are listening to a radio broadcast. If you push the Select button, the Check Recorded File window pops up after recording has finished. If you choose Confirm, the music is played once and then it will return to the radio. This sets up the sound quality of FM recording. There are 3 options: 192, 160, and 128 kilobytes per second are available. FM radio receiving sensitivity can be adjusted in 3 ways. This sets up the country of the radio. This shows program service and time. If you add this to alarm, the selected radio channel will be played at the alarm time. Datacasts are for using contents by using SMS, like you are subscribing to RSS through the web. You can download contents like texts, music, and video. I will try to download by connecting the PC. If it is connected to the PC, then SMS will be loading. I will select the Datacast menu and download a video. Let's download the contents of Blip TV. Select the desired content and download it. Yes, it is finished. When you click the Transfer to Portable Device button, it will transfer to the device. All done. I will check it out on the S5. If you go to Datacasts, there is a folder that is downloaded. When you open the folder, there is a description and a preview for the video in a text file. play the video. There are not many contents in Datacast now, but it will soon be increased in the future. Then this will become a very useful function. Now, can we move on to the Prime Pack menu? Sound unfamiliar? S5 provides a text viewer function. I will open a text file. If you choose the menu button, you can see menus like this. While you are viewing texts, you can turn the music on or off. Go back to the first page of the texts. Set up the bookmark. This brings you to the selected bookmark. You can delete the bookmark. This adjusts the size of the font. There are 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. There are a total of 6 colors available. Voice recording is possible through the microphone on the back of the product. Playback is also possible. It provides 5 flash-based games, such as baseball, pizza delivery, honeybee, Domumun, and Food King. Do you want me to try the Food King game? This is great to kill time when you use public transportation, for example on the subway. Since this has a speaker, it has an alarm function, which is hardly seen in other MP3 players. This seems to be very useful in our daily life. You can set up an alarm interval by once, off, Saturday to Sunday, Monday to Saturday, Monday to Friday, or every day. Set the time correctly and set up the alarm sound. Set up the interval to repeat the alarm. If you select confirm, it asks you if you want to save. Then push yes to set up the alarm. World clock is a function to set up the world time. If you go in there, there is a world map. You can select desired location. The audio in function is a very unique function. It connects to other MP3 players or CD players, and the sound comes through the speaker of the S5. Let me try to demonstrate it by using the enclosed cable for the speaker. I will connect it to the YP-10, which doesn't have a speaker.
Hey Cisco, it's me, love. Call me. I want to hold.
File Browser is a menu for those who manage a folder by themselves. You can check and view files by entering each folder. We went through the Prime Pack. The Prime Pack has 6 functions, and it appears to be a bonus gift for the person who selects this S5, like on the gift box icon. Now let's review the Bluetooth function, which is adopted by Samsung MP3 players that recently rolled out. Stereo Headset Bluetooth is a menu to search and connect to the headset. Connect to the phone searches and connects to cellular phones, which is Bluetooth compatible. Call by number makes a phone call to the connected cellular phone. If you enter numbers on this number's keypad screen and make a call, the phone call